What do you look for in a fridge? There are so many things to love about this new fridge. But for me, I have to start with this awesome design. You know how the fridge alone can really change the look and feel of the entire kitchen. And this new LG side-by-side refrigerator is simply a masterpiece of design. These completely flat, ultra-sleek doors with subtle square pocket handles. They're gonna look awesome in any kitchen, especially if you want that trendy built-in look. What makes this door really exciting is, of course, this incredible InstaView. Simply knock twice, and magic! You can see inside without opening the door.